When installing a unit in the client's office, it's very important that you fill the collection tank with water prior to running the system. In order to do that, you would have to lift the 3 main filters out of the way, use the special tool we have here, insert it up inside. It will hold the filters in place. You then can access the collection tank down below here. There are 2 screws. One on each side of the tank. They pull the tank out towards you. Watch out for any hoses may be hung up. The tank should open up. And there is a mesh filter here that you can lift out. Sit aside. Recommend about 5 gallons of water for a new system. You would add the water into this hole here until the tank is full. At that point, you would then have to put the machine in service mode, turn it on service mode, and turn on the booster pump in order for the water to flow up into the cold tank.